Hi there. Welcome to Docentes Digitalis TV, the channel where learning English becomes simple, practical, and fun. Today, we're diving into the world of famous children's stories to learn English in an easy and fun way. These classic tales are perfect for beginners because they use simple vocabulary, clear sentences, and engaging plots that make learning enjoyable. Children's stories are more than just entertainment. They're a fantastic tool for improving your English. They teach you new words, introduce you to common phrases, and help you understand the rhythm and flow of the language. By the end of this video, you'll have new vocabulary and ideas to use in your own conversations. Let's start with one of the most beloved children's stories, The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. This story teaches numbers, days of the week, and food vocabulary like apple, pear, and strawberry. It's simple, repetitive, and perfect for beginners. Another classic is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. The phrase, "this one is just right," is great for practicing comparatives and describing preferences. You also learn words like porridge and share, which are commonly used in daily life. Then there's The Ugly Duckling by Hans Christian Andersen. This story introduces emotional vocabulary like lonely, beautiful, and happy, helping you express feelings in English. Here's how you can use children's stories to improve your English. First, read the story aloud. Speaking the words out loud helps you practice pronunciation and rhythm. Children's stories are written to be read aloud, so they're ideal for this exercise. Second, focus on new words and phrases. Write down any vocabulary you don't know and learn their meanings. Practice using these words in your own sentences to make them part of your active vocabulary. Third, listen to audio versions. Many children's stories are available as audiobooks or read-aloud videos. Listening to a native speaker tell the story helps you improve your listening skills and pronunciation. Children's stories also introduce you to cultural elements and values. For example, in The Boy Who Cried Wolf, you learn about the importance of honesty and phrases like "don't lie" or "nobody believed him." Here are some tips to make the most of learning English with children's stories. Start with short stories. Tales like Little Red Riding Hood or The Gingerbread Man are quick to read and easy to follow. Read the story multiple times. Each time, focus on different aspects like vocabulary, sentence structure, or the emotions of the characters. Try retelling the story in your own words. This helps you practice speaking and ensures you've understood the main points of the story. And most importantly, have fun. These stories are meant to be enjoyable, so let yourself connect with the characters and the lessons they teach. If this video has been helpful, we'd love your support. Give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Docentes Digitalis TV for more practical and creative English lessons like this one. By subscribing, you'll never miss a chance to turn timeless tales into powerful tools for learning English. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.